Hello Year 3s, so we're going to carry on looking at non-chronological reports today, and you're going to be looking at what the text features of non-chronological reports are. So here is an example of a non-chronological report, and it has a clear layout and is organised into different sections. So at the top here we have a title, sometimes called a heading, which tells us exactly what the report is about. This one's about sharks. And next comes an introduction paragraph, which gives us some basic information on the subject to see if the reader wants to read on. And then there are some subheadings that we're going to talk about in a lot more detail tomorrow at the top of each of the paragraphs. And these are the main information paragraphs where most of your facts will be found. Now, sometimes you'll find fact boxes on a non-chronological report, and very often you'll find pictures as well. So these are the main text features of a non-chronological report. We're going to look at each of these a bit now. The first one is headings and subheadings. Now they're there to help the reader to find the information that they need quickly. They tell you what the report is about or what information is in the next paragraph. So I'm going to show you 3 paragraphs now, and let's see how quickly that you can shout out what that paragraph is going to be about. So the first one, yes, straight away from the subheading Robin, you know this topic. This paragraph is going to be about robins. It's not going to be about seagulls, it's not going to be about ostriches, it's going to be about robins. Here's the next one. Yeah, so this paragraph here is from a non-chronological report about the ancient Greeks, and this particular paragraph is about Greek writing, as our subheading tells us. And the last one, yeah, this one is about what do tornadoes look like. So this particular paragraph has all of the information about that subject in it. Now, non-chronological reports contain interesting and detailed factual information, and they're written in the third person, so they use words like he, it, or they, rather than I or me, and they don't include the writer's opinion, so you won't be including things like I think that in your report, because that's your opinion, and it needs to be factual. And here are some examples of some paragraphs about different subjects. Now, a lot of non-chronological reports include pictures, and sometimes they have maps in. They make the report look interesting, and they show the reader what something looks like and can also help to explain the facts more easily. And some pictures include labels, like our little hamster here in the corner, or a caption to show more information, like our hedgehog picture there, with a little caption underneath telling us that hedgehogs have around 5,000 spines. So pictures are quite important in a non-chronological report. Finally, today we're going to look at fact boxes. So these add fun or interesting facts, and the writer can include these fact boxes, and they often start with did you know? So here's an example. Did you know tornadoes can occur at any time of year? So this information might not fit under any of the subheadings, but it might be a really interesting, fun fact that the writer wants to tell the reader about. So those are the main text features of a non-chronological report. So for today's task, we would like you to create a poster with the following title: What makes a good non-chronological report? We want you to use the information in this video to help you create your poster. And we've provided some more examples of other non-chronological reports in the resource section of the website to help you. So please make your poster really bright and eye-catching with bold headings to attract the reader, and also include some pictures and examples of each feature. You might want to print out the example reports that we've put on the website and cut some of the features out perhaps. So have another look at this video if you want to remind yourself of the features, and have fun.